Yo, what's good? Here's a recap of the trade I took today. Pretty short, pretty simple. Let's get into it. Alright, London high, London low. This is London low because this was the lowest move down, move up. We did sweep this London low when we made that London low. And yeah, we had a break of structure, and this was kind of retrace for the sweep too. So it plays into both. Because I wouldn't have entered on the sweep because it was forming a new low anyway. And so I just waited for a tap into the new low, which we got. Boom, a tap in. A big reaction. I entered, stopped below the low, targeted 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Boom, I got stopped out. Price action, just wanted to come down here and keep doing that. I followed my plan. That's all that matters. So yeah. Peace.